to be doing a clothing video, and this is a little different, okay? So we're gonna go through a couple items I pulled from my closet, and these are items I maybe worn once or never. And you know what inspired me to do this was, first of all, I'm about to move in a couple of months, in a month. You know, it's time to go and leave my college apartment and go to an adult apartment. And what that means, I need to get rid of a lot of clothes. And so this is where you guys come in. You guys are gonna help me figure out what I need to keep and what I need to get rid of. And so, yeah, that's what we're doing today. We can walk through it, talk through it, we can figure this out together. So make sure you leave a comment telling me what I need to keep and what I need to get rid of so I can follow your advice. And also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button so that way you get notified every time I post, which is weekly. Well, that's if you hit the bell icon notification button. You know, you would think after making so many intros I'd get better at this, but I won't, and I don't. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So we're about to get started, but real quickly, I noticed that I still have henna on my hands. So I went to a wedding last weekend and I got that done. And then also, my nails are still a little ratchet. They're getting done tomorrow, but we're just gonna ignore it for this video. So let's go ahead and jump in to the first item. So here we are. We have this cute shirt. I think it's still pretty cute, and it's just this army green shirt and it has mesh, but I never wear it. And the reason is because the mesh exposes my belly button, and I don't love it. I don't know. So let's go ahead and try it on so we can figure out what we need to do about this item. Okay guys, so I have this shirt on and I just want to say it is super comfortable. It feels really nice, it feels flowy, open, and then I take a couple steps back and you see the mesh, and then I don't like it because first of all, it is in a place where like your belly button is showing, and I don't like my belly button showing. I rather have like this part of my stomach showing than like the hole in my stomach. I don't know, I'm weird, I just don't like it. And so I'm like, okay, well I'll put some high-waisted pants on. So I have my high-waisted leggings on, and you see the line between my stomach and my pants, and it's just like a weird line that I don't know how to feel about. I don't know how to style it. If you guys have any opinions, let me know. But as of now, I think it's time to get rid of this shirt. So let's go ahead and grab the next thing. So very similar to the concept, it is a shorter shirt. It is very, very soft. I remember getting this from PacSun. I love this design on it, which is why I feel like I've not gotten rid of it, but I just don't wear it. Like I like my shirts loose and flowy, and this is more tight, and I don't know. Let's just try it on to see how it looks like. It's soft. It feels great. What can I say? I don't know, maybe it's not bad. I think the thing that gets to me with this is that it's so short and it's tight, and I'm not used to shorter, tighter shirts, and there's a v-neck, so I usually don't like to wear that many v-necks. So I don't know how to wear this. If you guys have opinions, I almost fell. If you guys have opinions on how I should put this on, let me know. But I really, really do like this like marble-esque design, if you know what I'm saying. But I don't know. I don't think I can see myself like just styling it with leggings and jeans. Like it's just not how I'd want to wear it. And maybe with overalls, but like I don't know, maybe, I don't know. If you guys have any ideas on how I can wear this shirt, please let me know, because I kind of think I want to keep it. I just don't know how to wear it. But it's really soft and I like the design on it. But yeah, okay, let's grab the next item. So here we are with the next item, and this is a skater skirt, and these were so popular. I've had this for so long, and it's from Charlotte Russe. And I just have it sitting there, and I think I've maybe worn it once. I don't know how to wear it. I don't know how to make it look cute, but this is what it looks like. And it has this texture, which is what I think really throws me off on it. But I was like kind of looking at the clothes, and I was like, maybe I can make this shirt and this skirt work, which I really don't think is gonna happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on this skirt. So here is the skirt, and I'm just gonna say this is a good sturdy skirt. Like it is great, but I just don't love the texture on it. I feel like this type of skirt is a little bit older, a couple years older, and I just don't know how to wear it in a way where I feel good and really cute and really like just I feel good about myself when I wear it. I just feel like a little girl kind of when I wear it, and that is where the issue comes in. So if anyone has any ideas on how I can style this, let me know. I know I keep saying that, but like that is why I don't wear these clothes, because I don't know how to style it in a way where I feel good and confident. And so let's just go ahead and grab the next item. Here we are. So I remember I got this from Forever 21. I think it was on sale, so I bought it, and I thought it'd be like a really cute loose shirt. But I'm looking at this in the camera, and it just looks like a ball of patterny throw up, and I don't know. But this is what it looks like. I wore this once, and I wore it to someone's graduation with some black jeans. And I think like it's cute. Like, do you see how this sleeve kind of gets like bigger and like more puffy? But like the pattern is just way too much, I feel like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on so you guys can get a opinion for yourselves. So here we are. And again, I just feel like a whole bunch of pattern. And I mean, like, the sleeves are kind of cute, but like it's kind of not comfortable. It's kind of like a material I don't like touching me. I don't know. I feel like I knew what I was going for when I got it, like a very loose, cute, like bohemian shirt. But I don't know. I don't love it. And it's so funny because my reaction to everything is not gonna be like a first impression, like, oh, do I love it or not? It's like I really don't like it, but I'm showing it to you and walking through why I don't wear this on a regular. I think it's time to donate this one. I don't know. I feel like this could be really cute on other people, but just for me, it's not doing it. Okay guys, so the next item is this jacket, and I think it's pretty cute. Like, there's something about it that draws me to it, but at the same time, there's something about it that draws me like away from it. And so I think I've tried to wear this like once or twice, and it just, I don't think I can pull it off. I think that's like the real issue. So I don't know, like the material of it is really nice. I love how it feels, but I don't know if I can do it. So let's just go ahead and put a white shirt or tank top underneath this, and I will show you guys what it looks like. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so this is what the jacket looks like. I grabbed a white tank top because that's just what was closest to me, but I would probably style it the same way, just like with some type of white shirt with some jeans or some black pants or something. But I mean, I just don't think I can pull it off, if I'm being honest. Like, it feels great and I like it, but I don't know if I like it on me, and I don't know. So this is what the jacket looks like. I almost fell off again, but yeah, here we are. And yeah. Since I have a white tank top on, I figured I would just go ahead and try on another skirt. So it is this cottony skirt, and I think it's from Forever 21. Yes, Forever 21. And it is a very like pinky purpley skirt, and it's soft. I just feel like it's kind of like the other one, or like the style of it might be a little outdated, and I don't know how to look good in it. So I go ahead and put this on for you. Okay, so I have the skirt on. I don't know how I feel about the color. It's not something I necessarily always go towards, but the biggest issue I have is I'm looking in the camera and all I feel like is like a little girl, and I'm just like, okay, like time to play outside. Like, I don't know, don't think I'm pulling this off very well. It's very like, not me. It's very like flouncy and like, okay, like, let's just go ahead and grab the next item. So this item has a special place in my heart because I distinctly remember going business clothes shopping, you know, something for like business casual, something I wear in the office, maybe with jeans. And I was with my mom, and she was being so generous, so nice, and she was buying me clothing items. And I was like, hey, I kind of really like this. And she's like, are you gonna wear it? And I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna wear it. She's like, are you sure? And I'm like, yeah, I'm sure. And she bought it for me, and I remember getting this at the outlet. It's from Ann Taylor factory, and I haven't worn it once. Like, in fact, there's actually a little bit of a tag on here. Sorry, Mom. But I don't know, like, here's the material of it. It's like very textured, and it's quarter length, but it's like kind of thick, but like kind of not thick. And I just feel like this gives me a very probably like block shape. I feel like that's why, like, when I look at the hanger, it's block. And I don't know if I can make this look good, but like, let's go ahead and try this sweater shirt quarter length item on. Okay, so here we are. I just feel like it gives me no shape, and I like my items loose, but I feel like this is just like not cute on me. Like, I don't know. And like sometimes I still look at it, I'm like, I can make this work. Like, just put a like necklace with it and like some dark jeans and like some maybe, I don't know, flats, and it's gonna be great for the office. But I don't reach for it. I'm not like, ooh, that's what I want to wear today. I'm like, ooh, maybe another day. And it just sits there, and it's sat there for like a year and a half, and here we are today, putting it in this video for not wearing it. Again, sorry, Mom, I'm very sorry. But here we are. There's really not much to say about it besides like, this is what it looks like. I kind of feel like a square. And yeah, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the next item. Okay guys, so this is the next item. It is this long sleeve plaid shirt, and this is when I went through my plaid phase where I would just love to get things, and I still do this. I actually went to Disney last week and I still did this. But I get like these plaid shirts, and I just tie them around my waist, and I wear it with like a white shirt or something. But this one, I, for some reason, have decided in my head I will only wear as a shirt. And so here we are, wearing it as a shirt. The distinct different thing about this is that it has a hole in the sleeve shoulder, so it's like peekaboo sleeve, hello. And I wore it once. I got a picture of me wearing it. I'll insert it somewhere here, but like, I don't know. Let me go ahead and just put this on for you guys. I gotta button it all up, so give me a sec. Bye. here we are, my shoulders showing. I don't like this. It reminded me of something when I put this on. The day after I took that picture, I remember thinking, yeah, don't wear it again because I don't think you can pull it off again if I barely pulled it off that day. And so here I am reminding myself, do not put this back on. I think it's ready to be donated. I just feel like a picnic blanket. I feel like a lot of things are going on. I probably am hurting y'all's eyes right now and my shoulders peekabooing, and like this is a style, like I've definitely seen it in Indian clothing also, where like your shoulders are showing, it's like a thing, but I still don't love the thing. So I think I should go ahead and just change my regular clothes, you know what I'm saying? So give me 1 second. I have like alliance here. Hey. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and I think what I have realized is that a lot of these items that I have kept in my closet for so long, just hoping that I can somehow make it work, are items that I should just probably get rid of. Like, unless you guys find an item and it's like, Libby, you need to keep it, and this is how you should style it because it'll look good, I don't think I need to. So I think pretty soon these are gonna hit the donation pile, and that's okay because if someone else feels really good and confident in it, that's great. That someone's not me, but that's basically it. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get more videos like this. And also, there's a bell icon notification button which you can click to get notified every time I post, which is weekly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and say goodbye. I don't know what I was about to do like an intro. I just really want some watermelon right now. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.